In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Facebook account completely private. So in order for us to get this done, we're just going to go ahead and tap this one right here and then open the settings. Now that we are here, I want you to go ahead and scroll down to audience and visibility. Now we have here different things that we are going to cover, starting with this one right here, how people find and contact you. So if you're going to open this one, you want to be able to set everything here to as low as possible. That means clicking this one right here and turning it to friends of friends, or if there is an only me option, then you can go ahead and click that one. So go ahead and click this, for example, and as you can see here, there is an only me. Go ahead and click that over there, and then go ahead and click this one right here and then choose no one. Still the same thing here. And then this one right here, it says, do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? You don't want this to happen. You can go ahead and disable this one to ensure privacy. Still the same thing with your post, stories, reels, and the others. So post, for example, click this one right here and set this to only me. Now, limit who can see past post. You can go ahead and click the view here in order for you to click limit past post. Click this one right here to confirm the action. And afterwards, you can go ahead and close this one. Allow comment summaries on your post. Go ahead and disable this one. And yeah, I want you to go ahead and try to disable everything right here, starting from how people find and contact you, going to active status right here. So go ahead and disable this one as well. And then say, for example, you're done going through everything, I want you to go ahead and lock your profile to ensure account privacy. And yeah, that is how you're going to make your Facebook account completely private.